Be ready with the plug.
Like last time it didn't work. Oh well.
Yeah, last time it didn't work out so well.
It's gonna work.
Maybe.
It's like, hey, let's go. Blown up enough.
No.
That would really hurt if you like jumped on it. No diving. Was that yours that said no diving on it?
Okay, okay. No. Yeah.
Lauren,
When I say...
I texted my dad, so it's okay.
Okay, go.
Another failed attempt.
It didn't.
Okay. Where's the power button? Okay, this is gonna work.
I would like lay on it and then I'm like, not work.
No.
You're like, no, really. And like totally deflates everything.
Good enough.